Hello, welcome back to another episode of Poco Lab. Today, we will take you to the evolution of HyperPower in F-Series to know more about our latest products. As the flagship series of Poco, our F6 and F6 Pro presents major upgrades on both performance and all-around experience. Now you may be wondering, is this still worth to purchase a $1,000 smartphone? Or are there options that are more affordable but can meet all your needs? My answer is, the flagship model of Poco is certainly worth for you to buy. Why? Let's go to the evolution space of the Poco F6 and F6 Pro to seek the answer. Now we're in the evolution space for the SoC of the Poco F6, so we want to explore deeper into the powerful upgrade of the Poco F6. So why is it worth to buy the F6? First off, it is loaded with the chipset of Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. The powerful processor guarantees a smooth gaming experience when you're playing heavy loaded games. Ready to check out how it works? Let's test it out. Now, the real-time performance test for the Poco F6 starts. Let's enter the game first to switch on Wild Boost Optimization 3.0. We're going to run the same game on two mobile phones with full charge of power under the same environmental temperature to ensure the fairness of the test. Before we start the game, let's check the initial temperature of the two mobile phones. Now I have a reliable thermal gun here, which displays the initial temperature for the F6. Alright, I guess we're ready. Let's start the game. "30 minutes passed. Let's measure the temperature of both of our devices again. Now the effect of the 4,800mm ice loop is brilliant. Yet, when you look at here, the temperature of the F6 is only at 42.55 degrees Celsius. The Poco Ice Loop system is a self-developed cooling technology, applying the design of channels for the separation of air and liquid to form one-way heat conduction loop of smooth circulation. Now compared to traditional cooling VC, it improves the efficiency of loop circulation for air and liquid to seamlessly take away the heat and improve the efficiency of the cooling to the maximum extent. Now the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 lays a solid foundation on the aspect of the performance for the Poco F6. The built-in Wild Boost Optimization 3.0 ensures that there is no frame rate drop during the running of an intensive game. No reduced reduction of brightness for the display, no fast consumption for power to effectively optimize your gaming experience. Now, in addition to a powerful performance, F6 is no slouch in any other way. What is worthwhile to mention in particular is its brilliant hibernation mode. Poco F6 can ease your low battery anxiety when you realize your phone, the power is left with 1% only after playing intensive games. It'll enter hibernation mode automatically with 1% power. Now, additionally, the Poco F6 introduces a new hands-free feature, AON. As the first Poco mobile phone that supports AON technology, it mainly features 4 functionalities: Smart Lock Screen, Smart AOD, Smart Screen Rotation, and Air Gestures. Now, this frees our hands by controlling the mobile phone with simply our eyes and hand gestures. So when hands are full, you can simply swipe up and down to browse on TikTok, or answer or end a phone call by drawing a circle. Now, this is why the Poco F6 is definitely worth buying. Let's walk into the evolution space of the F6 Pro together. First, we bring a brand new evolution on our WQHD Plus display. Now, see people discuss there's actually no significant improvement on WQHD Plus display. Then why do we still keep it? Well, let me explain. This time, we have great improvements for brightness, color, and eye care. The material applied for the new screen achieves a peak brightness level of 4,000 nits, with better effect for playing HDR videos. But besides that, the Poco F6 Pro features 3,840Hz PWM dimming for the first time, which means at 0 to 24 nits low-light environments, it greatly reduces the flicker issues. But besides a really good display, what else is there? Follow me to the camera evolution space. The upgrade of F6 Pro this time on imaging is even greater. The first major evolution is the HyperPower nightography gets evolved. What are the problems when taking photos in environments of extremely low light? Low brightness, large noise in environment, for blurry images, missing details for images as well, and the inaccuracy of colors. So how do we deal with those issues? It's achieved by the upgrade of hardware for light intake and Poco's first time ever ultranight algorithm. Through the improvement of both hardware and software, the Poco F6 Pro enables you to get rid of the limitation of dark light environments. No matter how harsh the light condition is, you can always capture clear and bright photos. You can acquire the clear and bright photos even in extremely dark environments. But besides Poco F6 Pro's upgrade of night photo, another major upgrade is the 50 megapixel Burst Shot Mode 2.0. Now, Burst Shot Mode 2.0 of the F6 Pro can capture a maximum of 50 photos per shot. Compared to competitors, this is a huge advantage. This provides more options for you to capture wonderful moments by selecting the perfect one in the 50 photos you take. As the new Air flagship in 2024, the Poco F6 Pro, it features new AI technology which have the function of AIGC. Let's check it out. Now, there are situations when we take photos, but the background is too chaotic or someone accidentally appeared in the frame. That's why you need AI Magic. The function of AI Magic Erase Pro can help you solve the background problems with ease. All you need to do is to circle the person in the image and you can remove it. The function of AI Magic Erase Pro will help you modify the image with no trace at all, just by a single click. In addition, the AIGC function this time also includes AI Expansion, AI Album Search, AI Subtitles, and AI Portrait, for the unlock of more innovative functions which is very fun and may even improve the efficiency in your daily work and life. So I'll leave them for you to find out more. With all those amazing features, the Poco F6 Pro also has super large memory combination of 16GB RAM and 1TB ROM. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and 120-watt hypercharge included as well. And in addition to the powerful functions, it also provides an appearance enriched of aesthetics and quality. The F6 Pro is the most ideal phone for the hardcore users. By now, I believe you have a better knowledge of the Poco F6 and the F6 Pro. You should understand why I said in the beginning, the Poco F series is truly a new era of flagship models in 2024. We provide the functions and the features that are not given in mid-range smartphones. No matter if you're in pursuit of extreme performance or looking for an all-around flagship with great camera, great design, we believe that you would definitely find the one you love in our brand new F6 series. We cannot wait to see your comments, so if you still have any questions with the F series, welcome to leave your message in our comment section below. Now that's all for today's Poco Lab, and I'll see you in the next time.